Introducing the RSC6, the food industry's most flexible, reliable, refrigerated display merchandiser. The RSC6 design prioritizes a consumer-appealing display. It has a lower deck with extended depth and low deck to allow for increased storage and product capacity. The 6-foot RSC has 36% more capacity than standard 8-foot cases. The RSC6 comes with 14 adjustable glass shelves, compared to the RSC3 and RSC4, which only house 7 shelves. The top 5 shelves can be tilted, and heavy-duty metal shelves are available to merchandise beer and wine. And peg rack options are available to merchandise all your deli products. The RSC6 has size versatility. Its modular design also allows it to be joined to other RSC models to create multiple width configurations. The RSC6 is available with Modbus communication protocol. This allows for online monitoring and set point adjustments to be made from a central location using an EMS system. The RSC6 combines productivity and sustainability. It is insulated with environmentally safe body foam, which helps maintaining energy efficiency and minimizing noise. Above all, the RSC6 is effective at its job. It holds product at a safe temperature and is ANSI NSF7 Type 2 certified, allowing you to confidently merchandise all your dairy and deli products. You can't beat the reliability, adaptable design, and effectiveness of the RSC6. To learn more, visit www.vendoco.com.